I grew up in Lake County and in this area, and I've always known about D&S. D&S has been in the community since 1977. I grew up, I've had my parents have had cars fixed here. My brothers had cars fixed here when I was a kid. I've always known about D&S. D&S, not only are they still growing, but when I interviewed with D&S, you could just tell the professionalism D&S has and their reputation in the community, their customer service. I mean, you ask anybody that has had a car fixed and at D&S, and they are for life repeat customers. Just the overall community involvement and the reputation is what stood out to me. 7 core values that we live by. Every day we walk into these buildings and we live by them. The 7 core values are empathy, passion, integrity, trustworthy, first class, innovative, and consistent. The team that I run here, we live by that every day. Just the way we treat people, our team environment here, we're a family. We spend a lot of time together. Anything we do, whether it's from the detail department all the way through the shop, we're all working together and we all treat each other with respect. And we're all about exceptional customer service and the quality of repairs. When I came to this particular location as a manager, I've had leadership experience in the past, coming from a different shops and stuff. Just a natural leader anyways. Stepping foot in here, I really saw a lot of opportunity to streamline process, get the team to collaborate more and work together instead of everyone for themselves. Everything we do is a team environment, from the estimating to the estimate reviews that we do. My knowledge in the collision repair industry and putting that upon my peers. We bring a lot of new estimators from other stores to my location so that we can train and work with them. As much as cleaning up the shop, going through parts department, making sure that that's efficient and streamlined. When we write cars, it's nothing less than what we need and nothing more than what we need. It's exactly what we need that really makes it more efficient. You look at the shop, it's cleaner than it's ever been. We go through parts carts, make sure that any total losses that have been gone through, the carts are emptied, parts are going with the cars. We have a strict QC process when we fix vehicles and finish them. So we go through every single process of the car, checking windows, checking lights. Our detail department's amazing. The cars are absolutely spotless. Customer service, we get people that call us back, tell us how great the car is looked. It's never looked better. Just the quality that I instill in my employees is what I've brought to the table. Bringing the Teslas to this shop, it's given us, just more opportunity to fix vehicles, given us opportunity to learn about these new electric vehicles and also revenue stream. We're fixing Teslas from Pennsylvania to Michigan. We have repeat customers from out of those states. So we are, not only we're fixing Teslas from Ohio in this general county, but we're getting cars from out of state. So that just gives you a whole nother avenue of service.